WallStreetBets is insane. We've got users gambling their grandma's $700,000 inheritance on Intel, to another user making a mind-boggling $19 million profit on GameStop. I'll be ranking the wildest WallStreetBets trades, starting off with Sylvanas. Sylvanas is a user who never gets tired of losing money on calls. His first post on WallStreetBets was made all the way back in September 2018. He kicked things off by taking a bullish shot on Nvidia, scooping up calls for about $2,400, which expired in just 2 days. Things turned green, and he made a total profit of over $6,000. But then, on the same day he sold his Nvidia calls, he shifted gears into Amazon. And feeling bearish, he threw $2,900 into Amazon puts at a strike price of $1,960. And just 3 days later, he had another $7,000 in profit. Sylvanas kept on making losing trades for the next 7 years, but the real juicy ones were made 5 months ago. He had a total of about $42,000 invested into AMD, Palantir, Cloudflare, and Applied Material calls, which he kept averaging down, hoping for a rise in the market. And luckily, the market did rally, but he had already sold his calls for a total loss of $8,000. Sold right before the moon. Big Vehicle commented, "No one can time the market, but Sylvanas told us that his calls were about to expire. Since they only had an expiry of 2 weeks, he needed a rest from WallStreetBets, but he came back just a few weeks later, making the most absurd trade that got him clapped in the comments. He bought calls yet again, but this time diversified across Starbucks, MGM, Bath and Body Works, Texas Instruments, CMG, and Chewy. SPY was rocketing that week, which felt promising for his calls, except all of his calls were in the red, and Sylvanas was getting cooked on every trade. His loss totaled $6,000, and he said, "SPY mooning every day this week, while every stock I have calls on dumped. I'm cooked." Alarmed Sky said, "That's some skill issue right there." But the sanest advice we got was from Sev1. "Time to inverse yourself, bro," which this user took way too literally. Sylvanas didn't learn from his previous mistake, and instead of inversing himself, he bought calls again on Bros, UPST, Amazon, and DraftKings the same month. Like before, the market was on a rise, but unsurprisingly, he was still bleeding red across every single one of his positions. His $4,000 went down the drain, and someone commented, "I'm crying. Every post is a loss. What is wrong with you?" To which he said, "Everything I buy dumps." Sylvanas was only able to make a single good trade in his entire 8 years of trading journey. I don't think it can get any worse than this. Straight towards F tier. The Hand Soap is a user who isn't doing very well, to say the least. It was January 2025, and MicroStrategy was all the hype back then, so he decided to make some quick gains. He bought 4 call contracts on MicroStrategy with an expiry just 10 days out. But MSTR stopped rallying almost as soon as he jumped in, and his calls started to take a hit. Still, he stayed confident and kept averaging down until he had dumped almost $7,000. His break-even price reached $407, but MSTR was trading far below this, and things were not looking good for him. Eventually, his unrealized loss was nearly everything he had invested, down almost 100%, and we got to know that the calls expired completely worthless. He took a pretty long break after that, but came back on February 2nd, 2026 to tell us that he was feeling extremely bearish on silver and said that it's priced too high, especially considering the 150% rise in the recent year. Therefore, he decided to YOLO $14,000 on silver puts at a strike price of $75. He was already down 4%, but still had 4 more days to make the trade work out. But to his complete surprise, just 2 days later, silver shot up to $79, making his puts nearly worthless. He could have either kissed his $14,000 goodbye or held until expiration, hoping silver would drop, and that's exactly what he did. 1 day later, silver dropped by 15%, down to $66, giving him a $10,000 profit, and he closed the trade that very same day. He wasn't done with SLV though. On February 11th, he re-entered the trade and bought puts worth $16,000. He needed silver to drop below $71 to profit, but his insane luck made it fall to $69 in just 30 minutes, literally doubling his portfolio in less than an hour. He was now up a total of $26,000 from both trades, more than enough to cover a year's rent. But his greed wasn't about to stop, so he YOLO'd $62,000 on SLV puts again, this time at a $65 strike price. His luck was about to run out though, as rising tensions between Iran and the US sent SLV up to $71 the same day, turning his loss into nearly $18,000. That was his last post, and doing some basic math, he's still up $8,000. Not for long though. C tier. Moneymaker is a user who accidentally hit one of the luckiest jackpot. On February 16th, 2026, he made a YOLO on Zim Integrated Shipping Services, a cargo shipping company. He bought Zim calls worth $20,000 at a strike price of $24, expiring 11 days later. According to him, he entered the trade to get exposure to rulings against tariffs. But little did he know, he was about to change his life. Zim was trading at about $22 per share, but there were rumors that the company might be acquired by Hapag-Lloyd for $4.2 billion, something Moneymaker apparently had no idea about. A lot of people in the comments were suspicious that he had some sort of insider info to make such an insane trade, but that didn't matter because a few days later, Hapag signed the deal, and Zim's value shot up almost instantly. His calls were up 1,275%, and his $20,000 was now worth $232,000. Even the WSB mod was impressed, earning him a custom flare. This trade wouldn't have been possible without an ungodly amount of luck. I'll give it an A tier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite trade or what you'd like to see next.